Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to make lock screen time bigger on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app. And on the settings app, you need to scroll down and click on wallpaper. Click on add new wallpaper. Click on add new wallpaper. Then scroll down until you get to the iOS 26 wallpaper. So just scroll down, you should see iOS 26 wallpaper. Then select any of these iOS 26 wallpaper collection. Now locate the option to make the time bigger on your iPhone lock screen or home screen. Drag it down like this. And then click on the check mark at the top right. You can set this as wallpaper pair or customize home screen. Now, when your iPhone screen is locked, you should see the time as big as this. You see that? So that is exactly how to make lock screen time big or bigger on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.